Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and I want to thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're just going to do an unboxing, you guys. So let's get ready to see what we got here. Alright, so here on my channel we do unboxings, we do reviews, we do sometimes how-to videos, travel vlogs. We talk about life, talk about travel, and then I also do unboxings and reviews of products at times. So I've been ordering a lot of stuff off of Amazon. It's December 23rd, 2023, and we're just going to open up this Amazon package here to see what's here in this order. And if you've seen the thumbnail, you guys already know it's just new to me as I'm doing it right here, opening up the packages right in front of you guys. So, okay, I hope I can fit this. So I actually ordered this like a bracelet here for my fraternity that I'm a part of, Phi Beta Sigma. So it just has Phi Beta Sigma wrote out, and then it has the Greek letters, and it's just a royal blue and pure white band to represent the colors of the fraternity. I wonder if I could, it looks kind of small. There wasn't a, I don't think it was no scale to say how large, ask you what size you want it. I'm guessing it's like a one size fit all. You want to be careful putting it on here. Okay, I got it on my wrist. It fit on my wrist. Alright, you guys, but there it is, you know, turns around there. Fits on my wrist. I got some space. Got some space there with it. Like that. And then I got a shirt here. Struggling to open this. Oh, there it goes. Easy, right there on the side. Easy peasy, right there on the side. I gotta watch this fire too, y'all. We don't want to start no fire while I'm out here. So, yeah, I ordered this shirt, this t-shirt. I think this t-shirt is a size large. I might have to go try it on so you guys can see how it fits. It looks kind of big. Hopefully it's not too big for your boy. If it is, I'll have to give it away, gift it to someone. But this is just a shirt, nothing on the back, nothing on the arms at all. Okay, and then this right here is the only image that it has on there. So it has the year, the Greek letters, as well as it has the fraternity shield. It's really made of some nice material. So the tag says it's 100% polyester. I'm gonna go try it on real quick to see how it actually fits on me. Like I said, it's kind of big. Well, it's a large, you guys. It's a large. I think it should be. I think it should be cool. I'm gonna go try it on and come right back. Okay, so I tried it on, you guys. You can see. I think I should have got a medium. This is kind of a little too big, so I should have got a medium. Otherwise, it feels nice. Like I say, it's 100%. It says polyester, so nice. Has that nice silky feel to it, like a workout material shirt, very thin. It could be worn like in the summertime on a nice warm day or something, or it could just be worn, you know, when you're relaxing. But I might have to gift this shirt to somebody and order me a medium. So again, if you guys, it's your first time checking out my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, and you can check out my other unboxings that I have on my channel as well. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Go Mob.